All right, just because you quarantine ladies and gents and everybody else don't mean that you gotta go out with arms like these. I don't want to be out looking like this. This is crazy. This is not cute. But we're gonna fix that with our good old wax beads, honey. I will link the wax machine and the beads and everything in the description below. So let's get going. I'm gonna teach you how to wax your underarms in 1, 2, 3, period. Okay, my wax is all ready. Let me grab a nice scoop. You want to make sure that you're waxing against the direction that your hair grows. So just follow along, honey. Just follow along. Just like that. Boom. Girl's nice. So you see, I got the whole area. You want to make sure that it's completely dry. You can just tap it. And if it's like pulling away, it's not ready. And you're going to rip in an upward motion, going in the opposite direction from the direction that your hair grows in. Child. If it is feeling tender, just press it down. It ain't gonna kill you. Okay, so you see, you might get caught up right here, but don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. You grab that popsicle stick. Remember, do not share wax machines with somebody that dips and dips and dips. This is my own personal, so I dippity dippity do and change when necessary. Alright, cool. Am I going to catch something from myself? So, you just want to put another layer of wax on top and wait until that cook up, then rip it off. So, let's do like so. Let's do like that. Woo! And see? Just like that. It's gone. Nice and clean. It's actually one hair right there. Give me a bucket. But so then after you do that, you're gonna go in with your after wax spray. It's literally just oil. You can use your favorite oil of your choice on your underarms, as long as it's some type of oil, because you might have some residue left over, and also this helps, you know, moisturize your arm. Like you see, I have little pieces of wax, so I'm just like combing that off, just like so small. All right, so let's go to the next arm. Again, take your pre-wax spray, roll that thing around. Oh my God, I had like a shirt on. Make sure you get those parts off. I should have been took it off. Like, why is it blue already? Okay, I think that's all off. But if it ain't off, the wax sure gonna take it off. I just don't want to get no hairballs in my machine. Okay, my stick is still fine, and I'm gonna use it again. Woo, child. Put on a little bit too high. Okay, we got a full strip. Now let's just wait till it dries. Okay, that's about ready. We're not gonna do that. That was a strip. Oh my God, grab my finger. Full child. Damn, honey. Ooh. So we're just gonna put an extra strip right there. With practice, these wax beads do get a little messy, but with practice, I'm telling you, you're gonna have zero mess. So, still highly recommended. Still highly recommended. Not sponsored, just to keep that in mind. This video is definitely not sponsored by you know, the wax company Life Stance. Yeah, Life Stance, because they standing up for looking cute. Definitely not sponsored by Life Stance. I just love the wax, so that's why I'm putting y'all on. So how to be nice and cute. So get your after wax or any type of oil of your choice. Spray, massage, and bam! Just like that, your arms is nice and waxed. Soft to the touch. Your hair is not going to grow as coily or thick as it used to if you just keep on with the waxing. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely come back for another spa vlog and let's learn together and relax together. Peace. Get in town. See y'all later.